up, this is Puri, and if you're new here, I'm usually doing fashion videos, DIY videos and beauty videos, and today I'm sharing a look created and inspired by Watermelon. It's a beauty plus fashion video both, although I'm not really a pro at makeup, but still I just wanted to try this look. So yeah, I just tried it and let's see what you guys think of it. So also let me know in the comment section what you guys really think of this look. Also, if you're following me on Instagram, you can check out the fashion video that I've posted for Watermelon inspired outfit look. Also, if you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you can get the notifications whenever I post any video. So yeah, let's get started now.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me. Make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start.